Okay, so how to track attendance using a basic formula, that is COUNTIF. So based on the data, no, so how many absent, how many late, how many excuse, how many present in this attendance. So now we need to count how many present, absent, excuse, and late. So now we need to input the basic formula, which is this type equal sign, then type count if, double click lang natin count if, then highlight this one from May 13 to May 20. Okay, then comma, then put quotation mark, then put present, then quotation mark again, then close parenthesis, then enter. Okay, for this attendance there are 2 present, so meaning ito dalawa. Next, for the absent naman, same process, equal sign, then you need to type count if, ito, double click lang natin count if, then highlight lang natin, highlight, after highlighting put comma, after comma quotation mark, then put absent, then quotation mark, then close parenthesis, then enter. Okay, for the excuse, same process, equal sign, count if, okay, click count if, double click lang natin, then highlight, then comma, then quotation mark, then type excuse, then quotation mark, then close parenthesis, enter. So there are 1, so meaning there are 1 excuse here. So the last is late, so same process, equal sign, then type count if, so ito count if. So double click natin, double click, then highlight natin to, then comma, then the quotation mark, type late, then quotation mark again, then close parenthesis, same process, then enter. Okay, so meaning from this data there are 3 late, so count natin 1, 2, 3. So there are 1 excuse, 2 absent, 1, 2, and 2 present, 1, 2. So meaning para hindi ka na mahirapan mag-check pa isa-isa yung pag-count mo dito sa attendance, so gawin mo lang ng basic formula using COUNTIF, no? So try natin for the other late, other student, present, excuse, present, absent, present. Okay, so para makuha natin yung formula, so we need to highlight this one, this 4, then after that we need to drag down. Okay, so meaning automatic na magka-count yung Excel natin. Okay, so for the next is my present, so meaning nag-count dito yung present. Example, absent, so may absent na isa, so automatic count na siya. Okay, so I hope may natutunan kayo for this short tutorial. Yung example natin. Okay, so Example, there are for student 1, so there are 2. For student 2, there are 4 present, so there are 2 excused, 1 absent. Okay, so yun lang. Thank you and God bless.